There comes your lucky charm. Majestic, wise, and unhurried. This ancient reptile, Tortoise, is a fascinating creature who can teach us 7 timeless lessons. So today I'm motivated to paint a lucky charm for myself in form of a fridge magnet on this small canvas board. Just like in most of my videos, I'll be sharing the art process and the wisdom I gather from the subject of my art. And today I'm going to call this subject Toto. I'm sketching without removing the pencil from the surface at all. It's very relaxing and also keeps me grounded because it acts as a reminder that everything in the universe is connected. That leads me to lesson 1 from Tortoise. Staying grounded. With their connection to the earth, tortoises embody a grounded and stable approach to life. They remind us to stay connected to our roots and remain humble. And the second lesson they give is living simply. They carry their homes on their backs and need little to survive. This can inspire humans to live more simply and focus on what truly matters. Along the way, let's learn about these oil pastels as well. A box of 50 beautiful colors. I was told by the salesperson that I could use oil also with these pastels, just the way I use water with water pencils. I don't believe in any rules where it comes to art, so I'm using dark magenta for his shell. Oh, the canvas is too textured for the oil pastels, so it definitely needs the oil for it to smoothen it out. He doesn't mind. Adaptability is the third lesson we learn from him. Toto has adapted to various environments from deserts to forests. His adaptability highlights the importance of being flexible and open to change in life. Only then we can grow and invite new opportunities in life. Oh, painting these details requires patience. This reminds me of the famous fable, Tortoise and the Hare. I think it's time to read that story again and remind ourselves of lesson number 4, patience and persistence. Success doesn't always come quickly, and as long as you are moving towards your target with patience and diligence, you will get there. Slow and steady wins the race. Resilience is another attribute we can learn from them. Despite their slow speed, tortoises are resilient creatures that have survived for millions of years. They remind us of the importance of resilience in the face of adversity. Build a hard shell around you and not let small knocks in life phase you. Lesson number 6, a case for longevity and balance. Tortoises are also known for their long lifespan. Depending on the species, they can live anywhere from 80 years to over 150 years. This can teach us to be aware of the importance of balance and taking care of our health, both physically and mentally. And I hope you are exercising regularly and eating well and also making art for your mental and physical wellness. And lesson number 7, saving the best for the last. But let me bring your attention back to the painting first. So what am I doing here is I'm rubbing off all the paint because it had started to look very muddy. And I didn't like that. By muddy meaning the colors didn't look right. It was not the actual mud like. And the other reason is that the second layer of the colors would come out brighter because of the oily surface now. The oil pastels move and glide better. I almost always paint from imagination. Whatever colors I like at that moment, I just use them and also just experiment just the way I'm doing in this painting. Skipping ahead to make the video shorter, I've added a bit of silver on the shell and in the background many different shades of green to add some depth. Muted shades in the distance and brighter shades as you come closer. Using a pencil for the finer details, mindfully. Yes, mindfulness, as I said, saving the best for the last. This actually should be on top of our list. Slow down, be more mindful, and appreciate the present. Just like Toto does. A little finishing touch, creating some highlights with an earbud by removing some paint. 3, 2, 1. At the finish line, my lucky charm is ready. Here's a surprise night version Toto. And here's the one you watched me painting.